good morning, guys. Thank you so much for joining this one. And today's topic will be our UCaas platform. We're going to talk about our P-Service Cloud Edition, first of all, and we're also going to talk about the platform, which is exactly the one you're going to use it to manage all of your cloud edition of the P-Service system. Okay, and I guess this is about the time. So let's just jump in. All right. So first of all, I'm going to give you guys an overview of our agenda for today's session. Have a look. So today we're going to talk about this UCaas platform, absolutely. And first of all, we're going to have an overview of this, the cloud-based solution, the hosted solution. We're going to have an overview. And number two, the part two, we're going to talk about some highlight features, especially based on this UCaas platform, which is also known as YCM, Yeastar Central Management. And part three, we're going to talk about something about our commercial part, especially we're just going to talk about how do we, make use of this UCaas platform, this YCM, to promote our business? That's the big deal. That's very important. And the last part, I actually got a real case. Want to share with you guys a successful story, a true story. Okay. Think this is about the time. Here we go. So first of all, this is going to be the overview of our solution. Let's just have a quick look. Okay. Now, the solution we're going to talk about in today's session, just like I mentioned before, it's called Yeastar P-Service Cloud Edition. As we know, we got a P-Service system, which is pretty dynamic, a very comprehensive unified communication solution for our business users. It's a quite good solution, especially for the current situation. As we know, we've all been through this pandemic for a couple of years. It's nothing good. But it just totally changes the way how we communicate, the way how we work. Everything's changed. So for business users, truly we need to start thinking about the transformation for our business and also the transformation for our daily communication. So traditionally, if we try to use a PBX, a telephony system for communication, I guess we just need to have some sort of solution like make a cup of coffee to be connected, right? But now things are changed. That's not enough. Totally, we're going to need more unified communication features and functions. Give you guys an example. As we know, the hybrid work model will be quite popular for the current situation. Sometimes we might be in the office, sometimes we might be at home. Even for me, a true story. I guess last month, even for me, I have to stay in my home for a couple of days, I guess. So that thing, it truly happens. That's exactly what is happening for the current situation. I mean, who knows what's going to happen? Maybe you're supposed to be at your home for your daily communication, for your daily work anyway. That truly happens, like I said. So if you stay at your home or in the office, whatever. The point is we truly need the flexibility to be connected with all kinds of, solutions, right? I mean, making calls, this is just one of them. Except for that, we're supposed to be able to, be connected with some other features. So P-Service system or P-Service Cloud Edition, anyway, it gives you lots of, advanced UC functions. So when you're stay at your home or in the office, anyway, it's going to be very easy for you to use our system. We have a bunch of UC features. So first of all, you can use this system for making a call. Absolutely, that's what we can do. So you can have our Linkus mobile client based on your mobile. It's a mobile app. Or you can also use the web client. So if you don't want to get the application, that's fine. You can simply use your computer, your laptop with this browser, right? That's another solution. Well, it's very easy, just like I said, very user-friendly, whatever it is, either the application on your mobile or this web client based on your computer. So first of all, this is very easy for individual users. Customers, they will have a very good user experience. I'm pretty sure this is what the individual users care about the most. And number two, the second point is, like I said, we can also provide them a whole bunch of UC features and functions. So whatever they prefer to use, the application or the web client, they will be able to have some other features. For example, it's going to be very easy for you to start a video conference with our Linkus web client. It's also going to be very easy for you to have some sort of management for your presence, for your instant message, for your contacts. If you prefer, you can even integrate this whole system with your CRM system. I mean, your CRM solutions. For example, you can make Salesforce, Zoho, HubSpot be integrated with our PBX easily. So all these dynamic features are really, really functional. And the thing is, we truly support them. That's it. So this is exactly the solution we provide to our customers, our end users. Even the individual users. So that's also the reason why we like to call P-Series system is more than just a PBX. It's something beyond just a PBX. So which also means all the key telephony features, you will be able to have it. You can make a call, you can have call recording, you can have IVR. Well, simultaneously, you can also have those advanced UC features. And to be very honest, this solution has been qualified by the market. So this is just an example, have a look. So in year 2022, we have this particular award. You guys can see top rated UCaas customer satisfaction award. That's exactly what we earned for year 2022. Now, the P-Series Cloud Edition. Generally speaking, this is truly a very dynamic system and the solution for the current situation and also for the future. Okay, now keep going. Like I said, this is something more than just a PBX, right? So you will be able to have the whole bunch of call features, basic key telephony features, and you will also be able to have those advanced unified communication features. And the most important thing here is today we're talking about this hosted solution. So the whole solution is virtualized, right? Now, pretty sure you guys just have a question is, well, what if, if this is going to be the hosted solution, so exactly how can we manage this solution? How can we make money with this business model? It's quite simple. The solution we provide you guys is actually called Turnkey Hosting Package. That basically means you're going to use a management platform, and that platform is going to be our topic today, the UCaas platform. So the business model, like I said, is Turnkey Hosting Package. That basically means you're going to use that particular platform to manage, your hosting packages. So the whole architecture of this cloud-based solution is actually based on multi-instance. Now that's also the reason why I just mentioned we're going to use that platform to manage our hosting packages. That's exactly what it is. And the thing is, this management platform, or maybe we can call this as like the infrastructure. The whole infrastructure, it's totally pre-configured, deployed by Yeastar. So that's good for you. You don't have to do anything for the, invest your money, your time for this server deployment. Not necessary. Everything is all pre-configured. Once you're on board with Yeastar for this cloud-based solution, everything is just ready to go. You get this platform. The only thing I guess you need to do there is just like I mentioned, you get the hosting package from us. You guys can simply, purchase the hosting package from Straightwave, and then you're going to jump into your management platform, make use of your resources, make use of your hosting packages to create instances for your customers. Very easy, very simple. Now, keep going. Once again, like I said, the whole cloud-based solution is more than just a PBX. So pretty sure, I just want to confirm this again. All the key telephony features, they're fully supported. Now, the reason why I need to mention this right over here is because in the market, I'm pretty sure you can find some other cloud-based solutions. There are so many options. There are tons of options, right? Cloud-based solutions. Anyway, so the thing is, some of our cloud-based solutions in the market you can find there. They call it cloud-based solution for communication, but actually only a few of our key telephony features can be supported. So this time, this is also like one of our advantages. You choose the Yeastar cloud-based solution. Now, first of all, this is just a very important thing I can confirm with you guys. All the key telephony features, exactly like what you had before. Many years ago, you got a traditional analog PBX. You will be able to have the whole bunch of telephony features, communication features. Anyway, so the thing is, you don't have to worry about those features and functionalities because we can just confirm you guys. This time, even the whole system is cloud-based, it's virtualized, but still all the telephony features, all the key communication features, they're fully supported. They're just fully supported. All right, now keep going. Since I mentioned the point, this is cloud-based, so the solution is virtualized, right? Without hardware, we don't have a PBX, we don't have a box. So the business model absolutely will be totally different. Traditionally, when we talk about a telephony system, the business model is simple. That's more like a one-time business. You purchase the hardware from the manufacturer and you just sell it to your customers. That's it. It's one-time business, right? So once we finish this deal, I mean, that's just a closed deal, right? However, this time the cloud-based solution is quite special. It's different. I mean, think about it. We're not selling a hardware. We're not selling a actual PBX to our customers. We're more like selling the service to them because the whole system is virtualized. And also, by the way, as I mentioned, you will be able to manage all the cloud PBX, all the virtualized PBXs based on your management platform, right? Which is called YCM. So this is definitely like we're selling service. You can absolutely jump into this platform, create a new instance there. Not just that, guys. Think about it. You can even log into every single one of those instances there, and you can help your customers to configure the system. You can just help them to pre-configure the system. And of course, we're doing this business. We're doing communication business, right? So pretty sure we have a bunch of, endpoints, SIP trunks, some other devices. So we can definitely mix all of them together. Even the network devices, we can just mix everything together, kind of like we're making a package. Then we're just selling the package, the service package. And this is definitely, kind of like a business model switch. Our business model will be switched to this new model. We're just going to provide our customers the service instead of the, a actual PBX. It's totally different. Now, have a look. So since I mentioned the PBX, this communication system is virtualized. And now what we provide to our customers is we give them two options. They can choose either enterprise plan or ultimate plan. So two different options for them. Well, if they choose the enterprise plan, all the key telephony features are fully supported, first of all, and they will be able to have some advanced features. For example, just like this, the call center feature, the unified communications. For example, like I mentioned, the instant message feature about your collaboration, and you will also be able to have phone books, CRM integration, those advanced features. I mean, the reason why we call it advanced features because it's not a part of the telephony features, right? So that's the advanced features. Those features are for unified communications. All right, so they are fully supported based on this enterprise plan. And the other option we provide to our customers is called ultimate plan. Well, if we choose the ultimate plan, we'll be able to have two more features. The first one is going to be video conference. The next one will be video call feature. So two options, depends on our customers. Quite flexible. And the thing is, this is kind of like, subscription plan. Absolutely, the business model is going to be recurring business model. We're going to sell the license to them annually, right? So this is also good for business, absolutely. Okay, now keep going. As I mentioned before, the whole architecture of our cloud-based solution is based on multi-instance, first of all, just like I said. So which basically means if this is based on multi-instance, then the solution we provide to you guys is not going to be a single particular instance, a particular virtualized PBX. It's not like that. We're going to provide you guys this management platform, and this management platform just carries your resources. All right, the resources I mentioned here will be your extensions and concurrent calls. That's it. Or I guess maybe we can even call this as more like a raw materials. So the YCM, this centralized platform, the UCaas platform, I guess it's more like a tool platform. So you're going to use this tool platform to, handle your raw materials. The raw materials you get from Yeastar is called extensions and concurrent calls, which is also known as the hosting package. Pretty simple, right? So you get the hosting package from Yeastar or from Straight-Wave anyway. Then you can simply use your YCM, this management platform, this UCaas platform, handle your raw materials. So it's like if I have a customer is looking for a cloud-based solution which needs like 10 users, 10 concurrent calls, well, I'm just going to use this YCM platform with my hosting packages to create a particular instance with 10 extensions and 10 concurrent calls. That's it. And the thing is, all of my management, I mean, no matter how many, end users do I have there, truly doesn't matter. The thing is, I will always use this centralized platform to manage everything. So this is also good for you guys. Give you a very good user experience. It totally makes your job easier. Not like the traditional way to manage a whole bunch of solutions. You need to switch from this platform to the other one. Not necessary. This time you can simply log into the centralized platform to manage the entire system. All of your customers' instances can be handled on this centralized platform. That's it. And also have a look about the infrastructure, just like I said. This YCM platform, as I mentioned, you don't need to worry about the deployment of it. The whole cloud servers are totally deployed by Yeastar. Now, another question is, well, the server deployment is handled by Yeastar, so exactly where's the server? This might be our question, the next question here. Now, have a look. The server deployment actually is handled by Yeastar globalized. Well, the point is we just deployed our servers around the world. That's also one of our highlights, I guess. So for example, it really doesn't matter where you are, where your end users are, truly, guys. Now, for example, if I get a customer in, let's see, in San Francisco, just an example. So if he's looking for a cloud-based solution, what I'm supposed to do is I can just help him to create this instance, right? I can help him to create this virtualized system. Well, the server location, I can just choose Los Angeles. I can choose the nearest one. The server, absolutely, I can just select the nearest one. This is good for user experience, absolutely. Now, as we know, the cloud-based solution is totally deployed on the cloud. So it totally depends on the network condition, all right? I mean, about your communication quality. It totally depends on the network connection. So if you got a poor network connection, anyway, definitely it will affect your user experience for making calls, right? Now this time we can choose the nearest server, since I mentioned. So totally we can help our customers to solve the biggest trouble, which is latency issue. That truly matters, especially for the cloud-based solution. This is absolutely one of our advantages. And like I said, we'll be able to have this flexibility, the high flexibility to choose the nearest server for your customers. I mean, I can give you guys another example. Now, for example, if I'm the local dealer in China, I got a customer in China and I get another customer in Singapore or maybe Indonesia. Well, pretty sure the customer in China, I can just choose a server in China. And as for the other one, in Indonesia or Malaysia or Singapore, anyway, pretty sure I would just choose the server which is deployed in Singapore. That's the flexibility I can get from here. But anyway, I will give you guys a more detailed explanation when we switch it to the live demo later. Okay, let's jump into the live demo since I mentioned the live demo. So give me a second. Let me switch it to the live demo. Okay, let's just have a look. Now I guess you guys can see my live demo now. This is going to be the YCM, the management platform, like I said. You can see it's called Yeastar Central Management. Exactly like I said, this is going to be your tool platform. You're actually going to use this platform to handle everything, your hosted solution. All right, now let's get started. So how do we get started? Pretty simple. Step one, as I mentioned, once you're on board with Yeastar, you will be able to have the free access of this particular platform, the YCM platform. So you can simply use your Yeastar Partner ID, log into your Yeastar Partner portal, and you will be able to find this YCM, Yeastar Central Management. So you can simply go check on it. For example, this is our partner portal. So once you are on board with Yeastar, we're going to activate this user account for you. So you log into your partner portal, you can find YCM, Yeastar Central Management. Go click on that. You're going to go access this platform. That's it. Pretty simple, right? Now, step one, let's talk about another thing. How do we make use of this partner portal to manage our resources? All right, so the resources I mentioned is going to be our hosting packages. I'm pretty sure if we're start to onboard with Yeastar for this hosting business, absolutely we're supposed to purchase the hosting package from Yeastar. Now you guys can see, this is my P-Series hosting package. All right, you can see I got this package with 100 extensions, 100 concurrent calls. It's quite clear, right? Now, obviously, now I have 41 extensions, 44 concurrent calls left. So my next job is quite simple. I'm just going to make use of my raw materials. So the raw materials I mentioned here will be extensions and concurrent calls. Well, I'm just going to go click on PBX here. All right, let's get started. So here's the deal. If I got a customer in maybe Los Angeles, just an example, I can just go click on add here. All right, I'm gonna use this platform to create this instance for that particular customer right now. Step one, I'm gonna name this PBX for the customer, right? So probably I can name it as PBX1, all right, just an example. Then keep going. Then here you can see the PBX plan, exactly like I mentioned. According to the default configuration, by default, every single one of our cloud PBX will be based on the enterprise plan. Well, it depends on the customer. If the end user, he or she needs the video conference feature, well, good. I can just help you to upgrade it to the ultimate plan. If you don't, well, I guess we can just keep the enterprise plan. Not a problem. All right, next step. Check with the customer how many extensions do you want there. Maybe 5 extensions, or maybe 8 extensions, or 12 extensions. That's flexible. I'm just gonna create an instance for you right now. And then call recording, you guys can see we provide 500 minutes for free to every single one of our instances. It's flexible, depends on you. If you don't want to enable the call recording feature, you can even disable this. That's fully under your control. All right, so let me just make it simpler. I'm gonna keep it this way. Then here's the deal, the region. Just like I said, everything is all pre-configured by Yeastar, even the server deployment. So you guys don't need to worry about the server location. You can absolutely jump into the YCM, select the nearest one for your customers. So as I mentioned, if this customer is in Los Angeles, then I will just choose a server in California. That's it. Very easy, right? So I can select the nearest server for this end user. That's it. One more step here will just be the URL, because it's cloud-based system. Pretty sure in the future we might probably need to jump into the system for the configuration, the maintenance. Even when we try to use the web client, we need the address, right? So just create the URL for this customer. That's it. So the next step, it's flexible for you. Do whatever you prefer to create this URL. Okay. And also you guys have the flexibility, because just like I said, once you own this platform, you just own everything. The whole business model is under your control. You're just in charge of everything. So the PBX type here is also under your control. If you want to sell this PBX to the customer directly, you choose commercial. If you want to, activate the trial license for your customers, you can choose trial. That's it. Set the expiration date. Quite simple, right? So everything is under your control. If you want to optimize the user experience, you can do whatever you prefer. All right. So the business model for you, it's so flexible. And one more thing is going to be this. We're just going to need to add the customer information. All right, that's it. Because we're going to create this instance for the customer. So we need to enter the customer information right over here, even the mailbox. Because later on, the system will just send the activation mail to that particular mailbox. So we can just check the activation mail, help this customer to activate this instance. Pretty simple, just a few steps. I mean, seriously, guys, if you're familiar with our YCM, it only takes like a couple of seconds, you will be able to figure out this creation. As for other things, as you can see here, back to this panel, you will also be able to manage all the existed cloud PBXs. Exactly like I said, you're the local dealer, you're the service provider, so you want to provide the service to your customers. That means we're supposed to be able to use this platform to manage every single one of them. So like if you never renew the license, perhaps I need to stop the service for you, right? So I can go click on stop PBX. This is what I can do. And if you need to expand your system capacity, you need more users, oh, that's good. That's good for everyone. So I can just resize the capacity for you. So maybe you have 13 extensions, you need more extensions like 15 or 20. I can absolutely just change it for you over here. This is under my control, right? Very easy. Well, not just that. And if you don't need this cloud PBX anymore, you can also click on delete. So you're going to recycle your PBX. I mean, you're just going to take your resources back to your hosting package. This platform is definitely sustainable. So it's like a recurring business model, and it also gives you a sustainable way to manage your resources. So in other words, guys, I mean, it sounds funny, but seriously, this is more like a moneymaker, definitely. Okay, now I'm gonna switch it back to my presentation. Let's just switch it back to my presentation. Got something else. Let's keep going. Next one. Let's have a look on some highlight features of this particular platform. Have a look. Number one, just like I explained before, like I showed you guys with my live demo, this platform, it might be the easiest way for you to manage your hosting business. I'm pretty sure, because just like I displayed before, only a couple of steps there, you will be able to create a new instance. You will be able to manage those instances. You can change the capacity. You can take your resources back. Anyway, the thing is, this platform is very easy to use. That really matters, guys. Think about it. We try to provide you guys this platform for helping you to manage everything to make money, right? Well, the thing is, that's good. Another point is we also need to think about, can we give you guys an easier way to do this, right? Even this platform can make money, but still, like I said, we want to make this platform be a really user-friendly platform, because we don't want to make our customers, our partners' job be quite complicated. That's not good. So we give you guys a very easy to handle system. So this might be a very efficient way for you to manage your business. All right, make your job easier. So this is the first highlight. And number two is gonna be this: something truly matters for the cloud-based solution. When we talk about cloud-based solution, pretty sure for any customers, what they care about the most, first of all, they care about the usability, absolutely. And number two, absolutely, they care about the stability of this system, because it's cloud-based. I don't have a hardware in my office. So seriously, is that a reliable system? This might be a question, right? Now have a look. About the system stability, this is also one of our highlights. We provide our customers a high level, a truly high level HA solution. For this hosting solution, the cloud-based system, we have two levels. We have PBX level and SBC level. Absolutely. The SBC level, which is the SBC. The SBC just in charge of the routing, the security part of this cloud solution. And PBX will just handle, which is also known as the instances. So those instances will just handle, call features, unified communication features for customers. That's it. So two important parts. For the SBC level, we're using active mode for this HA solution. In other words, this active mode gives us a very good user experience. The thing is, like, whatever happens on your SBC, for end users, for customers, they can't even feel it because of this active mode. Even there's something wrong happens, well, the thing is, you can't even feel it, because all of our SBCs are working under active mode. So it can totally helps us to figure this out. And for the PBX level, we're using hot standby mode. So we always get the primary server and secondary server working simultaneously. If you really have something wrong with your primary server, the secondary server will just takes over automatically. That's really reliable. All right, and next one. Next highlight is gonna be high scalability. For this one, I guess thanks to the cluster technology, guys, our solution is based on multi-instance, and that multi-instance architecture is also based on cluster. So thanks to the cluster technology, theoretically, if you want, truly, you will be able to have unlimited extensions and unlimited concurrent costs, even the unlimited instances. That's crazy. But just like I said, theoretically. So eventually, as for eventually how many extensions can we have there, how many concurrent costs can we have there, it just depends on how many hosting packages you purchased from Yeastar, right? It sounds funny, but that's it. So like if I purchase one hosting package with 100 extension only, well, pretty sure I only have 100 extensions. If I need more extensions or concurrent costs, I would just need to keep purchasing hosting packages. Okay, and another highlight feature, guys. Another highlight feature based on our YCM is going to be API. The API feature, it's also supported for this management platform, for this UCaas platform. So what's the point? Well, just like I called it, we call this as a UCaas platform. Means you guys are going to be able to use this platform to customize your entire business model, right? So if you try to customize your business model, another deal, which is going to be billing. Billing is a big deal, right? Seriously, if you want to use this platform to make money, to provide service, right? Then truly we need a billing solution for helping us to calculate, right? Because this is not like a traditional business model. I'm just going to sell in the hardware. This is more like I'm going to use this management platform to provide services to my end users monthly or annually. Absolutely, I need to figure out exactly how many services, how many packages did I just sell to my customers. That's what I need. So the API feature just gives you this possibility. You can actually use our YCM, the UCaas platform, to integrate with your management portal. If you have your own management portal, and you can definitely integrate our YCM with your management portal. So next time, whatever you want to do there, you can just stay focused on your management portal to handle everything, like create a new PBX, delete a PBX. Anyway, you can just handle it by your management portal, and you can also integrate it with your billing system, like I said. So you don't have to, think about, oh, wow, what about the calculation? How can I calculate the billing? Well, I don't have to worry about that. Once I figure out the integration with my billing system, it will just automatically helps me to manage all those services. It can also helps me to get the billing report for this particular customer. It truly helps. All right, so this is exactly, the reason why we, said this platform is quite functional. It's really user friendly. It can make your job easier. Okay. And to be very honest, guys, even we cannot make billing solution available on this platform directly, but we just give you the possibility to do it, which means you guys truly have the flexibility, because for the billing solutions, you have many choices, you have many options in the market. You can absolutely find the best one, get the best one for your business and integrate it with our YCM. All right. And another highlight feature, I guess, is going to be our business model. Again, like I said, we provide you turnkey hosting package. So this is definitely like a ready-to-go solution. Just like I said, this UCaas platform, it's pre-configured by Yeastar. The infrastructure is totally handled by Yeastar. We just figure out the infrastructure, deployment. So it's good for our partners. You don't have to worry about the deployment. You don't need to invest too much money for the server deployment. Not necessary, guys. If there's an easier way, then why not? You can just get this platform from us directly. We handle the infrastructure, right? You can just use it. So that's what we call turnkey solution. We just give you guys the key. You hold the key, you start your business. It's definitely a ready-to-go business model. All right. Then number 3, let's have a look on our, some business. Some benefits we can get from this business model, some commercial parts. Okay. First of all, as I mentioned, the business model we provide you guys is going to be a turnkey solution. So again, the turnkey solution, just like I said, we help you guys to handle the infrastructures, all right, the deployment. Means we're going to help you guys to save your money, right? You don't need to spend additional money for the server deployment. And to be very honest, if you truly want to handle the server deployment by yourself, that's a big job, and you actually need to invest too much time and too much money for it. It's not an easy job, and pretty sure even you have the ability to handle this server deployment, but you cannot handle the globalized server deployment, right? It's not going to be an easy job for you. I guess if you can find one server, you can deploy one server. It might be an easy job for you, but if you try to figure out, multiple servers deployment, it's not going to be an easy job, right? So why don't you just let us do this? Let the Yeastar handle this. We're capable for doing this. So we help you guys to solve this issue, right? This is good for you guys without any, headaches about this deployment thing. And which also means you don't have to worry about the maintenance for the server. For this, whole platform. Everything is all pre-configured by Yeastar. The maintenance, it's all handled by Yeastar. Absolutely, this is a good deal. And just like I said, we just provide you guys this tool platform, and the only thing you need to get from us is going to be raw materials. So you get the raw materials from us, right? And the next step, well, you can just create whatever you want there, use your imagination. Well, sounds funny, but that's it. That's just the way how we do business, right? So you can absolutely use your resources, your endpoints, your zip chunks, your devices, whatever it is, mix them together with our PBX, create a business package. Then you're just going to sell the package. You're going to sell the service. You're going to sell the package. You can charge your customers monthly. You can charge them annually. You do have that flexibility. So this is absolutely our business model, the turnkey business model. Just like I said, you have that flexibility so you can totally control your margin. Because whatever you prefer there, it's fully under your control. As for Yeastar, we just give you guys this platform. We give you resources, we give you platform, and that's it. We never set any sort of limitation, like we just tell you, hey, this is the only way you can sell it. Well, not like that. We give you this platform. You can definitely create something you want, create something which is good for your business. All right, so you can definitely bring your own SIP trunk, your IP devices, network switch, cameras, intercoms, IP phones, whatever. Mix them together. That's going to be a business package. Sell it, right? Okay, and also one more thing here is, if you prefer, guys, we even provide you guys the white label service. The white label service is also for you guys. It's also available for you guys based on this YCM platform. I'm pretty sure some of you guys may have this question. Since we mentioned this is gonna be UCaas, Unified Communication as a Service, so probably some of you guys may have a question is, hey, can I use this platform to create something by myself? You know, I truly want to customize my business model. I want to have my own brand, right? That's what I want. That's more like a UCaas solution. I'm a service provider. I'm just gonna make myself as a true service provider. Is that possible? Yeah, we do provide the white label service. If you need it, you can also enable this white label service, additional service. You can also enable this as well. And once you enable the white label service, let me show you guys. Have a look. Once you enable the white label service, back on the YCM, it looks like this. You can get this particular service on your YCM. And totally, like I said, you can customize the brand, the product name, anyway. If you prefer, you can even change this Cloud PBX login page. I'm gonna give you guys an example. Have a look. See this. Normally, this is the instance, how it looks like. So for individual users, the standard version of our Cloud PBX, it looks like this. Individual users, they're going to use Yeastar, P-Service, Cloud Edition, like this. Well, if you want to start your business, seriously, you want to start your business, you want to customize the entire solution, just go ahead. You get the white label service from Yeastar. You can change the Yeastar logo. I mean, this logo can be customized, all right, as you wish. This photo can be customized. This name can be customized. Whatever, the entire system can be customized as you wish. So that's totally like I'm providing the service, my own service to my customers, right? So this is definitely supported. If you need it, we just give you guys this possibility. All right, simply back to the YCM, get this white label service, and you will be able to customize whatever you prefer. That's really flexible, right? All right, so this is definitely another advantage based on our business model, the turnkey hosting business model. I'm pretty sure this is a good way for you to start your hosting business with Yeastar. You know, it makes your job easier, and it can even make you to have the full control of this platform to customize your own business brand. All right. Just like I mentioned before, you can customize the entire system like this. All right. Well, talking about the business model part, talking about the commercial part, I think our sales rep, Kevin, he's also in the channel today. All right. Good to have Kevin today. All right. Hey, Kevin, can you hear me? I think you can probably make a short wrap up for our commercial part.
Yes. Guys, can you hear me? Make sure that you can hear me. So I will just make some compliments to what Jason has, introduced to you. I think that one of the biggest, advantage comparing with the other solutions that for Yeastar, we do provide, maximum flexibility. As Jason mentioned to you, this is a turnkey solution. And then when you say turnkey solution on the market, you do often see some all-in-one platform. All-in-one platform is good because they come with all the, the services you need. They provide the SIP trunking. They provide even the IP phones, preferred ones. and they come with the integrated billing system. But think about it. When you are MSP and you were an IT reseller and you want to, transform to an MSP, and I think in this progress, you want to have maximum, flexibility to choose, whatever which is comfortable to you. For example, with the all-in-one platform, they actually provide, one extension with fixed, DID numbers and the calling plan and all those. But to some extent, some real cases that is, you don't actually, the customers, they might not need, the whole DID number with each of its of each employee. For example, for five employees company, they actually don't need so many DIDs. Probably they will need one, or in the case that some of the end users, they already have their own physical trunks. For example, they have a long signed contract with the PSK lines. Even probably maybe it will be out, phased out, shortly, but they still want to use it for certain reasons. So with our platform, we do provide this flexibility that we actually make it open. We have very good compatibility with all these SIP trunks, and also we provide the flexibility to say you can keep your own, those existing trunks. And then this actually gives a flexibility, say you can make your margin better, because when you are getting the all-in-one platform, your margin has been determined by them. But then when you have this flexibility, freedom with you, you can actually say, I will provide them with probably 2 DIDs, and then but at the same time, you can determine the RRP to your end users. So this is all up to you. And also with the API interface, as Jason just mentioned there, we actually now have the billing system integrated with us, and all the tax compliance and everything will be taken care of. So it does provide you a very turnkey solution there. And the other thing is that Jason just mentioned to you the white label solution with the billing system, the solutions we already have that's ready with us. It actually gives you the whole platform, like you're growing your own business and just using Yeastar technology. So that's the part of it I want just to make this.
Okay, all right, thank you, Kevin. I guess you just lost connection for maybe around 2 seconds. Kevin, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Sorry, the connection is really bad.
Okay, I guess we just lost you for like 2 seconds. But anyway,
Okay.
all the key points you mentioned, I think most of those key points we just, got it. All right.
All right. Okay.
Okay, good. Thank you for sharing, by the way. Thank you.
All right.
Okay, sure. Now I'm gonna take over here. All right, thank you for sharing. Now let's get back here. So guys, one more thing here. Kevin actually just give us the, he just gave us this short wrap up about some advantages, especially based on our commercial part. Hopefully that one will be inspiring for you guys. Okay, now one more thing I want to share with you guys. It's gonna be a real case. This is a very good example. Actually, this is a typical application based on our hosting solution. Let's have a look. Okay, I really want to share this case with you guys. Have a look. One of our customers, they are actually using our hosting platform, this YCM platform with the P-Series Cloud Edition. And the thing is, all the functionalities, all those highlight features I mentioned before, well, totally this customer, they were using it. That's pretty good. Let's have a look. Now, first of all, this customer, they are providing, as you can see here, it's an MSP. They provide SaaS, software as service, some sort of solutions like that. Well, they're looking for a UCaas platform, the cloud-based solution. That's exactly what they want. They don't want a hardware system. They just want to virtualize the platform. And the thing is, they want this platform can be integrated with their existing billing system. That's it. They have a billing system, so they truly want to run this UCaas platform as as a service management platform. That's what they're looking for. So as I mentioned, they have their own billing system. So the good thing here is, just like I said, we get a API solution. We get the API feature. So it is possible for them to realize this sort of integration. This is the first point. And the second point is they also need an HA solution. They want the system to be very reliable, and they need lots of unified communication features and functionalities. That's what they need. So the opportunity for Yeastar in this case is so good because this time, we have a really dynamic system, which is P-Series. It's cloud-based, right? So definitely this can be a pretty good choice. It can be a pretty good solution for end users, for individual users. You need those UC functionalities. P-Series system is capable for that. All right, this is the first point. And another point is just like you said, our management platform. We also have a management platform. It can be integrated with your billing system, so it's gonna be really easy for you to manage your own business package, to manage your service. That's very typical, right? And another thing here, just like I said, like Kevin mentioned, the white label service. So they also want to provide a fully customized service to their customers. That's exactly what they want. So the good thing here is P-Series system is also capable for that. So they are using our P-Series system, this YCM platform, especially the white label service, to customize their P-Series cloud edition. Now, individual users, the cloud PBX they get from this customer, they get from this SMP is fully customized. All right, so this is a very typical case, which can be a very good example to illustrate exactly how can we make use of this YCM platform to customize our business, hosted business. All right. Anyway, hopefully this case can be inspiring for you guys. And I guess that was all we have for today's session. Now, once again, guys, thank you so much for your time. And one more thing, guys. One more thing, thank you for joining today's session. Thank you for your time. Like I said, hopefully everything can be informative, can be inspiring for you guys, and we provide you guys a trial license. So all the things I mentioned before, this hosting platform, the YCM, the cloud PBX, anyway, there's a chance for you guys to give it a try. All right, so we provide you this particular trial license. You guys can simply visit our website, www.yeastar.com/P-Series Cloud Edition Turnkey, and you will be able to see this application panel. So over here, on this panel, you guys can submit your application, apply for our trial license. We provide you the trial license of this hosting package. This turnkey hosting trial. All right, so don't forget to apply for it if you want to know more details about it. All right, and once again, thank you so much for your time. If you guys have any questions, please let us know through the question box. All right, and of course, in the future, you guys want to know more details, you can, just feel free to contact us. You can simply drop an email to Kevin, our sales manager. You can also drop a mail to our sales engineer if you need to know more details about the technical part. All right, thank you guys.
Thank you, Jason, and thanks, Kevin. I don't see any other questions that are on the Q&A section, but I do have Steve, which is our StreetWave rep. So Steve, if you wanted to comment on anything before we let everybody go, please do so now.
Yeah, just a couple of brief things to wrap this up. Again, we brought this a webinar to you as a combination with StreetWave and Yeastar to give you insight into a tool. So if you are a wireless internet service provider and looking for additional revenue services and customers are asking you for voice services, this is a way that you can do that, and it's fairly light on you in terms of your employee base and management. And the cloud management service, the central management platform, allows you to manage all those instances of all the customers in one single pane of glass kind of environment. Jason walked you through that, then showed you the demo. You can control and keep track of all of those customers remotely. You're not having techs run around to individual sites to reboot UCMs and on-premise equipment. Additionally, Yeastar has interoperability tested with numerous phone brand models. Yealink Fanville, Grandstream, and others. The three I mentioned, Yealink, Grandstream, and Fanville, are all part of the solution that we can provide for your endpoints. So we really have a turnkey solution to give you a path into the voice over IP market as a layered service, and allow you to have the purchasing power to get the endpoint devices to apply to your customers too. So also, I think we really need to make mention again of the mobility solutions that are contained in here. This Linkus client that goes along with this service is a fantastic, some customers, especially the younger generation, they're using their cell phones a lot. They can just have a cell phone that has this app on it. Or if they want to have the desktop application and not have a desk phone. So you can really get into, some interesting applications with this solution as a whole. And StreakWave can help you pick out the, accessories or IP endpoints that you need. And paging was on the list. So if customer needs paging, we have devices that can then broadcast into that network from this remote hosted solution as well. So my name is Steve Turner. My email is steve.turner@streakwave.com. If you guys want to talk about, IP endpoints and the solution to cobble together an entire, solution set to take to your customer, be glad to help with that. Just reach out and give me a shout. So Angela, that's all I had, and I don't see any questions either. So we'll just cut this down for now, and you guys reach out to us if we can help in any way.
Okay, thank you, Steve.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Jason. Thanks, Steve. Thanks, Kevin, and everybody that attended. Have a great one.